Ayan na. Katulad ng sinabi natin, tuloy itong impeachment from House of Representatives all the way na transmit na ito sa Senado. Again, another prediction coming right aside from all of those other predictions about kapalpakan ng Digong na in 36 months na hindi mangyari, na maduterte siya ng China dun sa mga pledge na investments na empty, and that Marcos Jr. will not be like Duterte na pro-China, so on and so forth. Right? Lahat ng mga budol na yan ay na-expose natin throughout the years. And don't worry, pagdating sa ICC, nina-negotiate pa yan, so wag mo siya na-excited. Sana yung mga DDS natin dun sa logistics ng arrest warrants laban sa kanilang mga idolo, kulto, whatever you want to call it. But here we are, guys. Mahalaga yan because now the ball is in the Senate court. Ibig sabihin, yung Kongreso sinigurado nila that there's enough number of people in the Senate to at least keep the trial alive and not terminate it so that this will not be pushed to the well, if next year, then wala na yan. Never na yan. So it looks like there's enough number of senators to make sure that at least they're gonna give this a modicum of a fair and robust trial. But there should be a public pressure. There should be organized effort by different civil society groups to make sure, well, hindi ko lang sa Team Kasamaan, but at least in Team Kadiliman, there is a high chance that they could face accountability right now because the stars are aligning, elements are coming together. So tuloy-tuloy dapat yung public pressure para yung ibang senador na kulang medyo sa backbone, medyo na umulitika, medyo inisip yung re-election nila, yung iba pa nga nasa admin slate pa, ayusin nila. They should look at the evidence and act upon it accordingly and do their job as senators of the Republic para yung mga, alam na natin, yung mga clowns na yan won't derail once again an effort at ensuring accountability. Abangan, exciting things to happen.